We can read the same data from Excel file and write in text file. The method of writing in text file is what we learned in our last lesson. First, we will create handler of text file. The name of file we created a handler, and the file in which we have to save will give name of that file. We will give its mode from write mode we opened it. We have to do the same work. All the data which is being read, its loop will be same. At the time of writing, the handler which is used here will be of text file, file.write, data plus \n I placed, so all data gets stored on new line. We will close this file. If I don't close the file, it will create the file but will not place anything in the file. If I run this after execution, I saw that in our file all data is written on a new line. If I delete this and check what close operation will do, it has executed our code and created our file also, but it didn't write anything in it. Close command is important, so it writes all data properly. In place of \n, if I put space, it will write every sentence on same line, but with space. It wrote all data. After completion of one sentence, it gave space for next information. This is how we read from Excel file and write in text file, and the same work we can do reading from text file and writing in Excel file. This is also done in the same way, only our handlers will be changed in that.